You've had your new RV for about 6 weeks, and you've already got a list. A cabinet door that won't sit flush, trim staples backing out of the wall, a drawer slide that came loose somewhere around mile 400, the shower door rattles, one of the USB ports never worked, the table leg wobbles. And somewhere on that list, usually near the bottom, usually the one you keep not mentioning to anyone, there's a damp spot you don't have an explanation for. 11 things. And the question keeping you up isn't really about any one of them. It's this: did I just buy a bad one? That's what I want to answer today, because most of that list is genuinely normal, and 1 or 2 items on it probably aren't, and those are the ones that need to be handled completely differently starting now. What's actually normal? Let me take some weight off first. An RV is a house that gets driven through a hurricane every time you tow it. 60 miles an hour of constant vibration, flex, and temperature swing. Things that would never move in a stick-built house work themselves loose in an RV as a matter of physics. So this category is common, and by itself, it doesn't mean you got a bad unit. Cabinet doors and drawers going out of alignment, trim, staples, and fasteners backing out, screws that need snugging, furniture and table hardware loosening, a latch that needs adjusting, minor appliance teething problems in the first few uses, small sealant touch-ups at the end of the first season. None of that is fun. All of it's annoying. It is also, broadly speaking, what a first-year punch list looks like. And it's why your dealership has a warranty department at all. Fix them, get them on paper, and don't let them consume you. Now the other category, and I want you to hear the difference clearly, because these are not bigger versions of the same thing. They're a different kind of problem. Water. Any water intrusion anywhere from any source. A stain on a ceiling panel, a soft spot in the floor or a wall, bubbling or rippling in the exterior sidewall. That's delamination. Water is the one defect that gets worse invisibly inside the structure while you wait. The structure, cracks in the frame or at welds. Anything to do with axles, suspension, or how the unit sits. A slide out that doesn't seal or racks and binds when it moves. Safety. The brakes, steering, tires, any smell of propane, any burning smell, scorched outlet or breaker that keeps tripping, carbon monoxide alarms, anything blocking your exit. Those don't go on the same list as the wobbly table. If any of them are on your list, you already know which ones I mean. You've just been hoping they'd turn out to be nothing. Here's the test that matters more than any category I just gave you. 3 questions. Is it water? Then it's serious now, not later. Is it structural or safety related? Then stop using the RV if it's unsafe and check your VIN for open recalls. And this is the big one. Did it come back after they fixed it? Because that third question is the real dividing line between a punch list item and a defect. Anything can fail once. A cabinet door that gets adjusted and then stays adjusted was never a problem. But a thing that gets repaired and returns and gets repaired again and returns again, that is a completely different animal. That is the pattern that every warranty remedy in this space is actually built around. Not how annoying the problem is, not how upset you are, whether it keeps coming back after they've had their chances at it. Why the first year specifically? One more thing, and it's the reason I made this video about 1 year instead of RV problems generally. Your clocks are running right now. Your coach warranty, your chassis warranty, your component warranties, and whatever rights period your state provides, most of them start at delivery, and most of them are shorter than people assume. The owners who come out of this okay are almost never the ones who fought hardest. They're the ones who were writing things down before they knew they'd need to. So, get a written repair order for every single visit, including the ones where nothing was found. Photograph and date everything. Follow every phone call with a short email restating what was agreed. And write each problem down using the exact same words every time you report it. That one habit matters more than anything else here, and I made a whole video explaining why, which I'll link. Most of your list is normal, truly, but go back through it tonight and mark the water, the structure, and the safety items, and mark anything that's already been fixed once and came back. That short list is your real list. Treat it differently starting today. You bought this thing to enjoy it. Get the file started so you can go do that.